Don't have the thread port sticking still in there. Tip of the week. And then we're gonna hang the caliper on this bad boy. With my tool that I don't see here. I have a lot of these ones. Okay, no, I'll use such one. Damn it. I had a better one. It's gone. Yep, it's gone. Maybe I forgot it. Yeah. Damn it. No biggie, no biggie. If it works, it works. Can we hang this one over here somewhere under the rainbow? This will be good, I think. Yeah, whatever. It will be okay. It will be okay. So something like this. How do we hang it? We can hang it on the line. We can hang it over there, perhaps. Will this be good enough? I don't know. No, don't think so. On a spring, yeah, on a spring that will work. It's the connector. We have to pull it out. And this is a little bit stuck because it's old. Come on. Yep. Okay. So we have more wiggle room now. This is good. If you could leave it here somewhere like this. Oh look, it's doing its job properly. Yeah, the blocks are gone. Good call. Good call. So this hangs on. Yep, this one over here, and we can not get oh shit, I'm messing around here. So take these out. We have to clean them later. Yep, this one is really stuck in there.